Hello friends, how are you doing today? I'm going to draw a big turtle today. So let's draw the first thing. In the beginning, we are going to draw a half circle on top. You can draw a circle like this. Then connect another curved line with the other point. Then you can extend a little bit and draw like this. In this corner, you can draw another circle. Okay, so for the eye, you can put a circle like this, and this one for the mouth. Then you can draw another circle and make the legs like this. It's a very easy turtle, nothing's complicated. Draw the rear leg and connect it here. So these two legs, you are seeing that this is on this side. On the other side, you are going to see the right legs partially, so not the total view. We can see a partial view, and on top of it here you can see in the back I'm going to draw some shapes like the hexagonal shapes. In chemistry you can see like the benzene looks like this shape. Okay, ta-da! So the basic shape of this turtle, it's done. Now we are going to put some colors. Let's put black color for the eye. All right, black color for the eye, and we are going to put the green color on the top. Let's put this color. These are the solid colors, all right. Green color is making this drawing a nice one. তো উপরের অংশটিতে আমরা সবুজ রং দিচ্ছি। Okay, this is the very hard shell on top of the back, which protects the whole body of this turtle. Okay, now we are going to put a dark deep color underneath. Okay, it's like kind of red. As you're doing the color with the pencil, the drawing is looking more nice. Visual effect is very good. Okay, let's draw this one too, the front legs on the left side. All right, the first portion is done. as you know, we can make the front part a little lighter, like for the face. So let's put this kind of color. This is going to make a little variations for the presentation. All right, as you can see, the turtle is looking good. All right, other side of the legs you can provide another color like this one and also this one, so that color looks the inner colors of the inside. The red colors shows the outside color. As you can see, the drawing is already looking nice. So yeah, if you want to put the turtle on the ground, you can put some normal colors like this. It shows the ground. All right, the difference in shades and the emphasis on the strokes, some harder soft strokes, really makes the drawings wonderful one. I hope you like the video. All you can do is to do the practice home again and again, and this is a very good drawing for the beginners and learning session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Have a good day.